I thought this was an interesting commercial since I'm interested in silver and gold prices and what's happening monetarily worldwide. Um, Listen and see what you think, but this is happening in Wyoming, and I'm sure it's happening in other places too.
But what if you want to gain exposure to the gold economy through a revenue-generating operating business with liquidity and distinct tax advantages? That's what the Wyoming Reserve's Offering 2 aims to deliver, and it's now open for investment.
I'm Josh Fair, CEO of the Wyoming Reserve. After building Scottsdale Mint and expanding relationships across the precious metals industry, I realized something was missing.
Scottsdale Mint is the owner of that, so he's not new to this systems.
A way for sophisticated investors to own a piece of the precious metals economy with real tax advantages. You can buy gold bars and stick them in your safe. What you're missing is the bigger picture. With Offering 2, you're owning a part of an operating business with multiple revenue streams. We're seeing institutional demand, and multinational companies, central banks, refineries, they're all moving metal into facilities just like ours. That means storage fees, shipping, transportation, secure handling.
To understand the scale we're talking about, consider this.
I'm standing in front of a 55-gallon oil drum. If this was oil, it'd be worth, depending on the market, $60, maybe $75 for a drum like this. But because we have something else in it, what you're looking at here is about $1 million of silver. And if this was gold, this would be the equivalent of roughly $90 million. We're not storing used furniture here. We're storing high dollar things. This facility is built for storing hundreds of millions and into the billions of dollars a year.
When high net worth investors evaluate alternative investments, they consider three key aspects: potential returns, wealth preservation, and liquidity. Traditional precious metals investing forces you to choose. The Wyoming Reserve Offering 2 aims to deliver all three, introducing Smart Liquidity. The Smart Liquidity program is designed to meet investors' evolving liquidity needs. After a one-year hold, investors become eligible to enroll in the monthly liquidity program. Access to your money after just 1 year, not the 2 to 10 year terms of traditional alternatives. Another compelling aspect of the Wyoming Reserve's Offering 2 is the tax structure.
If you have capital gains that you need to deal with, our Opportunity Zone structure lets you potentially defer those taxes until the end of 26, then hold for tax-free appreciation.
And this isn't their first rodeo. In their first offering, they achieved something most startups only dream of: profitability in their first full year of operations.
My gosh, we had $26 million that we raised as a new sponsor.
The Wyoming Reserve's Offering 2 is designed for those interested in sound money, wealth preservation, and potential tax advantages.
You're investing in the infrastructure that the wealthy use to protect their most valuable assets.
And it's all happening in Casper, Wyoming. Wyoming offers privacy, security, and tax advantages that are rapidly making it America's premier wealth preservation jurisdiction. Offering 2 is now open to accredited investors with a $50,000 minimum investment.
Most likely, if you want to pursue this investment, you're going to get a chance to see me. And you're going to get a chance to talk to me on a Zoom call. We'll tell the whole story. We're never high pressure.
Interesting. I know silver is going to blow past what it currently is. It's just a matter of time. With the things going on in China, India, UK, United States, and Europe, just a matter of time. And when it does blow, it's going to be worth a lot more than it currently is. It's been suppressed for decades, almost 100 years. And silver should be at 15-to-1 ratio. It's currently about 80-to-1. And so it's been suppressed, and it's just a matter of time before it blows up to where it should naturally go. Whether it's a year or 2 or 3, don't know, but it's going to happen shortly. And when it does, the monetary system is going to forever change again in the reevaluation of gold and silver and its natural value, which has been suppressed. Smart from Billings, Montana. Take a look at silver and gold and holding it for personal security reasons, personal monetary reasons. And I encourage you to look at silver specifically and what the market is doing with silver. It's currently at around $52 an ounce. It should be more around 4 times that amount. Should be around 200 per ounce. It was uninhibited by controlling systems that are currently going on. It eventually is going to get there and above. It's just a matter of time, with industrial demands and military demands becoming greater and greater with the passage of time, and with a shortage on silver and the paper markets saying they have more than they can actually physically stock, and people won't give a hoot about their paper records. They will demand, when it blows, they will demand that they have physical stock in supply, and there's not enough physical metal to back up the paper that they've got on contracts. So look at silver. Been Roger Martin here at Billings, Montana. Good day.